To apply a transformation, you would first select on a specific model. Now, if you were to have a study level selected and click on the Apply Transformation button, it would tell you that the model is what you need to select before you do the apply. It does default to the next closest model, so in that case, it is currently selecting on a specific model. You would click on the Apply Transformation button, and it brings you to the Apply Transformation screen with the same location where you were selected at for the model. In that case, you can review all of the different attributes of this model, including the incoming source data and the output data and their associated programs that apply the transformation. If this is the model that you wish to apply, click on the Select button here, and that would go ahead and describe to you that this model that you selected was under the study and under this particular project. If you want to remove it, you can click on Remove, and it would remove that particular model. You can actually apply multiple models at once if you want. So if you were to select on a different model, you can keep adding until you have all of the models that you've selected, and it would describe to you on this side what all the programs involved in applying these models. So you can also remove those that you don't wish to apply. At any point, you can also select on the program, and this is the same order in which it will be applied, and you can preview them to see what the program looks like. Once completed, you can go ahead and click on OK. What this would do is it will actually run those specified programs and show you the result. The result could include the output data set, the original model, and the source data, along with the programs that are associated in the applying of the model. Now, each time you select on a program, as you can see, there's a log evaluation, or you can see the entire log to see if there's any errors. In this case, if you were to select on the evaluation, it shows you a subset with warning and cautionary messages, so you can view it either way. You can also view these datasets by clicking on the Preview button, and it will generate the first 100 observation of that dataset that you're reviewing. Now in this case, is the source dataset. You can also try to preview the output dataset. In this particular example, this dataset has not yet been created, so it tells you that it doesn't exist. You can also preview the model. In this case, it shows you the attributes of that model and what types of transformation is being applied. So this is how you can then apply your model. You can do the same kind of applying the model by a macro call, which you can generate here through the Save Code button. This will actually generate the transformation code, which is similar to what you've done here, but in a batch mode. Now, you can also generate a report that will generate a report of all of the different types of processes that are being done. In this case, it shows you all the different models and all of the details of that model for your report if you wanted to see what the general report looks like. You can also edit certain programs in your transformation by clicking on the Edit button. This is different than the preview in that in the edit you can actually change the program code, whereas the preview just shows it to you. And you can also have the option of deleting the particular program from your model if you like as well. So this is how you can apply a specific model, which is basically running these programs pertaining to your model.